Hi Nistas, I'm outside now. We are going shopping. Okay, so I'm getting ready to leave, but this is my outfit for today. I'm just wearing this nice headband, black turtleneck sweatshirt, and wearing black leggings. I just have the turtleneck tucked into my leggings. So wearing just eye pencil and a little bit of eyeshadow around my eyes. I don't have any foundation on today, and just regular lip gloss. And I have on my red shoes. Hi Nistas, I'm outside now. We are going shopping. Okay, so right now I'm in Danice. I'm gonna put back the two stuff that I had bought yesterday that don't fit me and get this jacket. So I'm just wearing this. This is my outfit. Black leggings on the side and my red shoes. My jacket is from Shein. Okay, so I just had to return something. That's what I'm doing. And I don't see the stuff that I wanted, but I'm gonna get another item instead. And I have my mom with me today, so we are just gonna chillax, have some fun, and maybe afterwards I'll go get something to eat. Well, you know, I'm limited on what I can eat, so I'll probably just get a smoothie if anything. But this is my jacket. It's from Shein. This is last winter's collection, but I still like it. But the new collection, the one with the light blue in it, looks really nice. I might get it. I don't know. I'm gonna get take that back, get that jacket, and take this and put back the other two stuff. That's large, yeah.
Who put this bag here?
That's my bag. Oh yeah, let me show you guys my bag that I'm wearing today. So just my regular bag from Primark. This is it, from Primark. But it looks nice. Alright. Guys, don't you just hate when you go in a store just to return 2 or 3 things and you end up leaving with 18 different things? Oh boy. So now I'm in the pharmacy. I forgot. I think this is Walgreens. I think I'm in Walgreens. Just buying vitamins, vitamin C to try to stay healthy. You know, this kind of flu season that we got going on. And I also want to buy pain medication, and I think that's about it. So let me see what they have. know my mom is here with me. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Oh, God, look at the camera.
Hi.
Wow.
I don't like cameras.
I don't like cameras. Okay, so she's a little bit like camera shy, but you know, we gonna get her there. We gonna get her there. So let me just go and get the stuff I came for. What aisle is that? Well, okay, let me see. Alright guys, I think I got what I need. Oh wait, I need to get the vitamin. Where is that at? Oh, cough drops. I bought some last time, so I don't need any right now.
What is this, eh? What is this?
It's $22.99 with $3 off.
This is $22.99. So that can't be the true thing.
What size is that? That was what? That's 29 ounces, right? One is $22.99, and the other one is $32.99.
What is that 32?
That one is 32.
But where they put?
Somebody probably mix and match them.
This have. I was looking at this. For like this is people have this thing. Yeah. What are the difference?
The difference between what?
This one's a sugar. It's a sugar free.
Okay.
Not a low calories food. No artificial.
The only difference is that this one is sugar free, and this also have an orange flavor.
Yeah, so this one is what? What do you say orange flavor?
Right here, orange.
So what this one?
And this one is 23.3 ounce, and this one is
no orange flavor,
29 ounce for that one.
Oh, this not got no flavor.
That one don't have any flavor. That's like the regular flavor. So guys, we do bargain shopping.
So which one?
Shopping for the discounts. Shopping with to see which one have more quality or quantity, and shopping for the good taste. I don't know, which taste do you want? You want the orange?
This one you're heavy and this one you're light.
That one. This one is more. No, this one is more in there. This one is 29
because it's going to be the white line, I think.
Yeah.
This one I'm going to be. I really like this one. Feel it.
Oh, okay.
This one looks light.
Yeah.
This is 23, right? And this is about 29.
Uh-huh.
6 more. Alright. Since you can't tell me it's orange.
Okay, so now we got the vitamins. Okay, right at this one. I'm at the vitamin aisle. I like this, but I try to stay away from the gummies now, cause that's sugar.
I have to get the one with a lot of B's in it.
Vitamin B?
The one with a lot of B. The vitamin, but with
B included. Well, I mean, if you take any of the regular vitamins, like one a day or Centrum, they do have those vitamins included.
oh my hell.
Everything
This is
on our way out
14.99
now.
too.